Hi everybody, I'm Christina, also known as the Mobile Home Mama, standing outside of a customer creation, but let me tell you a little bit about who I am and who we are. I'm the general manager here at Champion Homes Retail Center, and right across the street your home would be built. We're located in Topeka, Indiana. It all started right here in this little Amish town, and we've been here since 1956. Customers come from all the Great Lakes area, and they come here because we sell to people, directly to you, no middleman. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna choose a floor plan. Well, you're gonna choose a floor plan, and we are gonna personalize that floor plan to fit your family's wants and needs, help you with some financing, and we can do all the things right here. If it's too far of a drive, we'll put you and your family in a very nice hotel and just show you a lot of education about a manufactured home built with a federal HUD building code, and also see some really pretty houses. This one, like I said, is a customer creation. It is called the Servia. We have the smaller version here on our lot as a show home, but this customer has went all out. This was made for Tim and his bride, and we are so excited to get this to them at their brand new location. Walking into the front door, now this home is interesting because it's got two living rooms. So here we go. The first thing you're gonna notice, and by the way, folks, I do things a little bit different on my channel. I'm not gonna walk in and show you these elaborately staged homes. We are the factory, okay? And this is raw. This is what your home looks like when it comes off the production line. So that's what you're gonna see on my channel. Drywall, yes. If you can swing drywall, always swing drywall. If you go to my YouTube channel, the Mobile Home Mama, you'll see a factory video of how we build the drywall, and you will not regret putting drywall in your home. Now, when you walk in the Servia, this is part of our Woodward. Okay, Christina, it's Friday. Give me a break here. Woodward home series. So you're gonna walk in, you're gonna have a coat closet, and if you're from the Midwest, you're gonna need this. Coats, hats, gloves. Motorcycle gear, huh? Got some exciting things going on this summer. Can't wait. And then over here in this little cubby is sometimes a floating vanity. There's an optional feature to have us do some cabinetry there. It's very beautiful, but not required, okay? This customer added some really, really hot stuff in here. We're gonna see it in just a minute, but check out the size of this primary living room. This is the living room that you're gonna see when you first walk in the front door. Big 46 by 61 windows right there, and we've got the nicer trim. They did add some, like I said, some very nice features, so I'm glad to see the nicer trim. Now, this is in two pieces, so you see some plastic here. That's how I crawled in here, and this is the primary. On the other side of the primary, we're gonna see a Serenity shower, hubba bubba, and then a nice big walk-in closet. All right, so there you have it when you first walk in the front door. Main living room, primary bedroom that way, and then we'll have bedroom 3 and bedroom 4 on the flip side. And here we go with bedroom number 2. A very good sized bedroom, and they did linoleum throughout, so you get to choose where your carpet is. Of course, we've got some standard carpet and linoleum according to the building code. You've got to have lino in the bathrooms and the kitchen and the utility. So that's definitely going to come standard, and we have a nice 18-ounce standard carpet. So whatever you want to do, that's how we personalize. We've got an extended vanity in bath number 2. This customer has went with the classic black and white features. Got a crescent edging here. Make sure you round those countertops because 1, it looks really good, and 2, these edges can be a little bit sharp if you don't round them. We've got a laminate backsplash, and right down the road here is bedroom number 3. Give you a peek of the closet. Now, let's go get to the good stuff. Okay, I walked in through the back door, and I'll show you that in a second, but on the other side of this would be that main living room, and it is wide open for this customer to an ultimate kitchen. Oh, so many beautiful features. Stainless steel appliances, side by side with ice and water in the door, the ultimate kitchen handles, farm sink, and then the configuration of the cabinets is just a little bit different. Built-in microwave into the tower with a couple of pot and pan drawers underneath. And then your range is gonna be built into the countertop with a built-in oven below it, built into the cabinetry. Also a European style hood. Cabinets all the way up. Lots of tile here. If I look underneath, you're gonna see some under cabinet lighting as well. And the showstopper of the Woodward series, pot and pan drawers, the Woodward series is the hidden pantry. So when this is closed, looks just like a pantry, but when you open it and go inside, holy cannoli. Right behind the kitchen. All right, let's keep moving. Island also included in that ultimate kitchen. Let's keep moving. So beside the kitchen, you're gonna have an official dining area. That's what this is. And then remember how I told you there's 2 living rooms? Here it is. There's the second living room. So lots of space for the family to hang out and lounge. And then heading back to the back door is where you're gonna find the laundry area, okay? A lot of people move this door over here and put a garage on the home and then add a patio door in there to the dining room. Lots of different options, and that's what we do when we personalize here. You're gonna choose. I have one more knock your socks off feature. Stay tuned. Okay, last but not least, the Serenity shower. Now I can breathe. I've been crawling around in this big, huge house trying to get into all the rooms. So here we go with the Serenity shower. It just sounds so beautiful, right? We're gonna have some cabinetry with plenty of storage here. Double sinks, a mobile home mama, a Serenity shower, which is gonna have water access there with a shower wand and a rain shower head. And what's great about the Servia and the Woodward series is right next door here, you're gonna have a large walk-in closet, which has great feng shui because on the other side of that door, your primary bedroom. On the other side of that door, your primary bedroom. So it really could all just go in one large circle. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video today. I'm Christina, also known as the Mobile Home Mama. Hello TikTok, hello YouTube, and as always, thank you for watching.